today we will try something different. We'll try to create an interesting snowball and we'll try to make it as realistic as possible. So to start, let's delete the default cube. Let's go to mesh and add icosphere. All right. Okay. Now let's go to the add icosphere button down at the bottom, and let's increase the number of subdivisions so that we can have slightly more smooth structure. So I'll use 4 subdivisions in this case. Okay, so what we can do, let's shade smooth to add more meshes so that we can have different faces to work with. Okay, now we can select this and let's go to the material properties, the modifier properties, add modifier, and then let's go to deform, and here we can use the displace. We can use the displace in this case. Okay, so here let's press new. So this adds a new texture, so we can vary the strings for this case. I'll use 0.15. Okay, so what else can we do? Let's go to viewports for better visualization. Okay, then what we can do is let's go to texture properties, and here we can change the type to clouds. Okay, now we are nearing to our objective, but still there's a lot of work to be done. So type is clouds, and then let's see what we can change down here. Clouds, the noise basis, let's change this. Let's try Barony F2. Okay, let's go to colors, ramp, color ramp. Let's vary this. You can try trial and error and see the best features that fits your need. Okay, let's leave this one for now, and let's go back to the modifier properties. Here we need to do some additional work. Okay, now we can go to the modifier. Let's go to generate, and now let's add some subdivision surface. All right, it takes a little bit of time, but it did it. Okay, here what we can change is levels viewports. Let's make it 3. Render, I will pump this up to 3. Okay, so let's bring this up. Before the displace. Okay, now we can see a significant change to the snowball structure. Now it's looking more and more like a real snowball structure. Okay, so let's go back to the texture. If you want, you can vary the size of the cloud here, down here, to have varying structures, varying results. Here you can see we have varying degree of difference. So the closer it goes to 1, it goes to a complete circle, smooth one. So lower numbers are suitable in this case to have a more realistic snowball. So you can experiment with this as you wish. I guess for today this is enough. I hope you like it. If you like to get more tips on Blender techniques, please make sure to like and subscribe the channel. I'll see you next time with another Blender tutorial. Thank you for watching.